Over the past decade, China has stepped up efforts in promoting the harmonious coexistence of human and nature, and has achieved remarkable results in preserving giant pandas. Last October, China officially designated the first group of 5 national parks, including the Giant Panda National Park. Covering a total area of 22,000 square kilometers, the park spans the provinces of Sichuan, Shaanxi, and Gansu. It connects the giant panda habitats and offers protection to 72% of the total wild giant pandas living in China.
如果我们不去保护它们，不去帮助它们，会导致它们近亲繁殖，丧失遗传多样性，有可能在30年、50年之间，那些小种群就会灭绝。
In Sichuan alone, where 87% of the park is located, 6 ecological corridors have been established in recent years, costing 374 million yuan.
大熊猫看起来分布区很广，但实际的情况呢是，这些大熊猫在6个山系里边被分割成30个左右的孤立的小的种群，所以这样长期来看会带来一个问题，就是有可能一些很小的种群，它内部会近亲繁殖，或者更容易因为一次自然灾害、一次疾病，就让一个小种群永远的消失掉。所以怎么办呢？最直接、最简单的办法就是建立一个大熊猫的走廊带，让这些小种群孤岛上面的熊猫可以相互之间去进行交流。
The Shaozhaizi Go area in Baichuanchang Autonomous County is part of the park. It covers 443.8 square kilometers, but more than 360 square kilometers was once logging farms, with the ecological environment severely damaged. After more than 20 years of reforestation and ecological restoration efforts, the area has become an ideal habitat for giant pandas and other wild animals.
然后现在生境恢复得非常好，已经超过了以前砍伐前的状态。
Thanks to conservation efforts, the at-risk status of wild giant pandas has been downgraded from endangered to vulnerable.
从70年代开始，每10年开展一次这个大熊猫资源普查，掌握这个大熊猫野外种群和栖息地的变化状况。
The 4th National Survey of Giant Pandas in 2015 showed the number of pandas had increased by 16.8% to 1,864. Experts believe that giant pandas have become an umbrella species, whose protection helps more than 8,000 kinds of rare animals and plants including golden monkeys, snow leopards and Chinese ewes.